Hey everyone, Morgan here. So this is the HYDROHEAT. I wouldn't say this is going to be like an official review, but we actually keep this in our car kit. And if you see my videos that talk about my car kit, you'll see that I've put it in there. And I wanted to briefly go over it a little bit and explain why I keep it in my car kit and why I will not keep it in my home. Why you may want to consider keeping it in your home as like a maybe alternative or something, but this is a flameless cooker. It uses these heat packs that are basically kind of like the MRE heat packs. So what you do is, let me get these out of here. So here is this where you put the food in. And then under here is where you put a little bit of water, and then the heat pack is activated by the water. So these heat packs only last about 30 minutes to be really, really hot. And they're not really, really hot. It gets it warm, but it does not get it boiling. When I first got this, I tested it by putting that in there, and I put that in there, and I put 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. By the way, it was like brim, okay, to put that 1 cup and 2 cups in here. It is not very big. This is like a 30 ounce, I think. I don't know if it has it on the bottom. I believe it's a 30 ounce. Anyway, so it's not huge. And so I wanted to see if it could cook rice, right? Because we all have rice in our preps. You know, we all have beans. We all have things that we can cook. But this did not cook the rice. I actually let it sit there for 30 minutes, and then it started to get cold. The heat pack, the actual heat pack started to get cold. It did not actually cook the rice. It never got to a rolling boil or a boiling at all. And I wish I had gotten this on camera. I didn't. I was testing it, and then I was like, oh, if this works, I'm going to put it on film. But I am going to explain why I still think that this is useful. So while you can't cook things in here, you can still heat things up. Canned foods you can heat up in here. You know, if you wanted to heat up your mountain houses in there, right? Things that you did not have to cook necessarily, but you just wanted to heat up. This is a really great option. And it's flameless, which means that it's ideal for a car. But it's also ideal for the home because you can use it indoors. So it does take half a cup to activate this heat pack, which some would say it's not very much water, but you know, when you're depending on your bottles of water, that can seem like a lot, but you know, it's the half a cup plus your, you know, whatever water you want to put in here. But if you're just heating stuff up, you probably wouldn't put any additional stuff here. I have rice on the brain still, so, but you know, heating stuff up in here, you know, you wouldn't fry anything. You know, if you wanted to throw some Spam in here and heat it up, you wouldn't fry it up, but you could heat it up. You know, that would work. I think that these flameless cookers are a good idea. You know, the MRE ones, you know, I have several of those. The MRE ones just come in a bag in itself, and you can heat stuff in there. But this is nice because it's all kind of contained. You know, it's pretty easy cleanup. It has this nice sealable lid and everything. And then it has this nice kind of neoprene on the outside to protect your hands. Because it does get warm, warm enough to where, you know, you wouldn't want to put your hands right on it. But it does not get to boiling. So that was my only kind of, I was so excited because I was like, yay, this will be so great for bugging in. I'm so excited. But it doesn't actually cook stuff. It just heats stuff. It is a heat pack. It is a HYDROHEAT. The word is in the name, heat. HYDROHEAT, not HYDROCOOK, okay? So as long as we keep that in mind, you know, this is a realistic product that I think is great for car kits and great for bug-in purposes, you know, just for real quick stuff that you just kind of want to heat up real quick. This whole thing, I got a 10 pack of these, and this one, and this 30 ounce, I think it was all about $45. There is another brand out there that is very similar to this, just different brand. So, you know, do your research and figure out if, you know, this might be a good option for you. I think that this is going to work swimmingly for our car kit. Something that we can just quickly heat stuff up, not cook stuff, but heat stuff inside the car. You know, no worries of of dying, you know? And no need to get out of the car or anything like that. So I think that's why I think it's really ideal for the car mostly. So anyway, let me know your thoughts, and thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.